everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the vibrations on your controller for every video game on your PlayStation 5. And this will also turn off the haptic feedback if you want. But on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then scroll on down until we get to Accessories right here. Then we want to go to Controller, General, and then go right. And we have Vibration Intensity. When you're using the microphone on your controller, the intensity is set to weak. If you use a headset or mute the microphone, the intensity selected here will be applied. So we have strong, standard, medium, weak, or we can completely turn it off. Now, in most Call of Duties, I like having it off, or maybe any kind of first-person shooter. So you can come to the setting and it will be applied to every game. Then you don't have to go to the in-game settings to adjust it. Then you have trigger effects here, and this will be the R2 and the L2 button, whether or not there's resistance on those. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.